First, let's find out what categories do we have in WordPress API JSON data. Open the following URL in the browser window. There are two WordPress category IDs. We will use them later. The first ID is 8. The second ID is 4. In app.js file, find route components, change route property to render. The new render property equals a function. The function will return main content components with category property, which we can pass the WordPress category ID to the category property. In main content.jsx file, find component data mount function. Get category variable from the purpose. Append it to the end of API URL. Repeat the same steps for reload data function. In navbar.jsx file, update the anchor links to match our routes. Save the file, check in browser. Next video we will build React form components.